Hello, in this video I'm going to show you camera tips and tricks for the ROG Phone 6D. So first we can use the volume buttons to take photos. Take a look. We can click volume up or volume down and we can take photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to record video. When we move for our shutter, we can swipe shutter to the right side and we can take series of the photos. As you can see, we are taking still photos. That's also this shutter sound, and we can take 100 photos. When you click and hold this shutter, you are able to record the video, and when you move your finger right here, you are able to lock that and you don't have to hold this button anymore, and you are quickly recording the video, so you don't have to switch from the photo to the video mode. Next, when you click on the screen once, you are able to increase or decrease brightness level manually. You can also do this automatically. Next, we are also able to zoom in and zoom out by using this slider. So to enable, just click and hold the zoom preset. Next, when you click in this place, you are able to enable the HDR and turn on the flashlight. When you go to the settings, we can find other useful options, like right here, for example, we can enable the 50 megapixel mode. We can also enable the touch shutter and turn on the grid of the lines. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, we can click on the screen and the photo will be taken and the grid lines appears on the screen and they help us to take better composition of the photos. When you go back to the settings, we can find other options. For example, we can switch function of the volume buttons. So we can use them right now to the zoom. Take a look. We can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. When you go to the more modes, you can find, for example, the Pro Video and the Pro Photo mode. You are also able to take macro photos, but honestly I can recommend you to go for the 50 megapixel mode and then just make a crop from the photo. It will look better. And yeah, that's all for this video. That's the camera tips and tricks for the ROG Phone 6D. Hope you like it.